Hi guys, I'm here with a new blog and today I'm going to show you how to clean bag at home. So it's quite easy, which I'm sure you can do at your home. Look at the amount of dirt, it's been covered all across. And for to clean this you need three things. First is shampoo and water solution. Second thing is Scotch Brite or any scrubber will do. And the third and last thing is clean water and damp cloth, which should be clean again. Now you start rubbing on the surface, on the dirt surface I would say. Then with the help of damp clean cloth, you wipe that surface. Trust me, you'll find amazing result. Look how clean it is. It's absolutely clean and it's quite easy even. So do not forget to dry this under shade to avoid any color fade, which I do always. Thank you for watching my video.